Imagine taking a deep, deep breath without coughing, without wheezing, feeling your lungs expand freely for the first time in years. That's what LungExpand Pro did for me. Hi, my name is Sabina, and I'm here to share how this natural supplement has completely changed my life. I was suffering from shortness of breath, constant coughing, and sleepless nights due to wheezing. Just walking upstairs or taking simple walks would make me breathless. That's when I discovered LungExpand Pro, a daily tablet with natural ingredients like melina, WC lobo, and peppermint oil, which help with lung flexibility and clear airways. After just a few weeks of taking one tablet a day, my lungs began to absorb more oxygen. I was able to sleep soundly, walk with my kids, and feel energized again. It was like my lungs were free. Before LungExpand Pro, my days were a fight against my own body. I would wake up with wheezing, coughing fits that would interfere with my work and sleep. It felt like my body was failing me. But the problem was inflammation and mucus buildup, which were preventing my lungs from expanding fully. The LungExpand Pro formula contains IV extract and serratiopeptidase, which help reduce inflammation and open up the airways. The result? More oxygen flow, easier breathing, and real relief. Within the first month, my coughing subsided. By the second month, I was sleeping through the night. No snoring, no apnea. It was liberating. Ingredients like bone marrow and vitamin D3 are amazing for keeping your lungs elastic and strengthening your immune system. Plus, peppermint oil soothes your airways and mullein thins mucus. Best of all, LungExpand Pro is manufactured in a GMP certified facility and comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't feel the difference, you can return it, even empty bottles, for a full refund. If you suffer from chronic cough, shortness of breath, or want to prevent respiratory problems, LungExpand Pro may be the natural relief you're looking for. Click on the link in the description or in the first comment and access the official website. But be careful, stock is limited. After years of being trapped by my respiratory problems, today I live with freedom. I breathe deeply, sleep well, and have lots of energy. And I want that for you too. You deserve to breathe easily. Start today. Click on the official LungExpand Pro link and feel the difference in your life. Thank you for watching my video, and until next time, bye.